This is Bruin, a collab between Nike SB and Poet, the brand owned by the skater Gino Lanucci. As the Nike SB Bruin combines a soft leather and textile upper with a flexible outsole, you can enjoy its comfort right out of the box. The Zoom Air unit in the sock liner makes you feel a responsive ride and enjoy an excellent board feel. Leather and textile upper provides a soft, broken-in feel, and you can see Nike SB logo on the foam tongue, embroidered swoosh design, and heel tap pouch logo. A herringbone outsole delivers stable, consistent grip, and axatic shapes between the midsole and the outsole expand and contract in all directions, allowing equal pressure disposal for every step, while a vulcanized construction fuses the outsole to the upper for a streamlined appearance and a comfort ride.